The 2011 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, power door locks, MP3 player, power windows, child safety locks, passenger airbag, brake assist, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.